In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share clear progress reports in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your everyday work in Asana into a clear, visual report you can trust and reuse. Start by opening Asana and heading to the reporting area or the dashboard inside a specific project. You'll usually find reporting in the left sidebar, while a project's dashboard lives within that project. Both paths work. The choice depends on how wide you want your insight to be. Next, decide on the scope of your report. If you want to understand progress within a single project, use that project's dashboard. If you need a broader snapshot across multiple projects or your entire workspace, go to reporting. Keeping this decision intentional avoids mixing unrelated data and helps your audience focus on what matters most. Now choose the data you want to track. Common essentials include tasks completed over a time period, overdue tasks that may need attention, and workload to ensure no one is stretched too thin. Think about your audience and the decisions they need to make. For example, a weekly team sync might focus on overdue items and upcoming deadlines, while a leadership update might highlight completion trends and bottlenecks. If your team uses custom fields such as priority or stage, make sure those are included so your charts reflect the real story. Add charts, widgets, or filters to bring the data to life. Bar and line charts are great for trends over time. Donut or pie charts can show distribution across assignees or priorities. Use filters to narrow by project, assignee, section, or due date range. Keep the layout clean and intentional. Each widget should answer a specific question. When in doubt, fewer, clearer charts beat a crowded dashboard every time. Before you share anything, review your report to confirm accuracy. Check the date ranges, make sure your filters aren't excluding important tasks, and compare key numbers with what you see in a project's task list to spot discrepancies. If something looks off, it's often a filter or time frame issue. Tweak until the visuals match your expectations. Finally, share or revisit the report to monitor progress over time. Share it with your team so everyone sees the same source of truth and clarify who can view or edit. Revisit the report regularly. Weekly or bi-weekly works well to track trends, celebrate wins, and catch risks early. Consistency is key. Using the same report over time builds a reliable history that makes decision-making faster and easier.